hajali sauti yangu.
He cares about what is coming from my heart.
Anajali chenye kinatoka moyoni mwangu.
Praise the name of the Lord.
Bwana
I started to sing.
na nikaanza kuimba.
And I am not ashamed.
Na siaibiki.
Praise the name of the Lord. I am not ashamed.
Kama siaibiki.
With your good voices.
Na sauti yako nzuri.
You can keep it.
Unaweza iweka.
Me, I will worship my God.
Mimi nitamwabudu Mungu.
And that's why I close my eyes.
Ndio
Because the only thing that I want to think about is about the Lord and worship. Praise the name of the Lord. Because I know that my worship will open the door to the Holy of Holies. Praise the name of the Lord. And in the Holy of Holies, anything that you want done, it can be done from the Holy of Holies. Praise the name of the Lord. In the Holy of Holies, there is healing. In the Holy of Holies, there is restoration. In the Holy